Hey guys, welcome back to Eden Well, and this week I'm going to take you through my weekly cleaning sheet. This sheet helps me keep my house guaranteed clean 90% of the time. I have specific rooms and things that I like to clean on specific days of the week, so I'm going to take you through my week of cleaning. You can interchange any ways of cleaning however you want on different days, but this is the way that I do it. But having a sheet to help me figure out what I am doing for that day, what's my chore for the day, this just helps me overall keep my house clean. So Monday I do sheets, so I change the sheets on our bed. This helps just keep our bed super fresh. It just feels so nice getting into a clean bed with clean sheets every week. And I want to note that I also do 1 to 2, sometimes 3 loads of laundry a day. I know it sounds like a lot, but that's just because of the baby and obviously our clothes, and we cloth diaper. But we also clean the bathrooms every Monday. So I take things off the counter, clean off the counters, obviously the sinks, and get to the toilet and the tub. And this just keeps the bathroom super fresh. The bathroom can get so easily dirty. And so this is a nice way to keep the bathroom super fresh and super clean all the time. Moving on to Tuesday, I like to do dusting and floors. Now, typically I dust before I do floors, but I just happen to record them backwards and put them backwards in the video, so I'm sorry. But you want to dust first because the dust might settle on the floor, and then you can vacuum and then mop. So I love vacuuming. I love clean floors. So sometimes I'll do it twice a week. I'll vacuum, but I like to combine dusting and vacuuming and mopping all on the same day. So this is the cleaner that I use for almost everything, but I love it on the floors. It smells so good. It is like a thieves house cleaner, and I just love Tuesdays because the house smells so good with this thieves cleaner. I also use it to dust our piano and our fireplace mantle and our bookshelves in our loft as well. It just makes the house smell so good. Wednesday is windows and furniture. Now, when I made this sheet originally, I didn't have a kid, and windows were easy to get every single week. Windows, I don't do every week, I'll be straight up. I do them maybe every other week, but now that he is kind of getting around, sometimes he does kind of smack a window that is lower. So windows, I do maybe every other, and then we have cats, and so they do shed. So as you can see, I like to clean off the furniture sometimes more than once a week, but definitely have it on the list. And this is the pumice stone, is that how you say it? That I use to wipe off the furniture. So I really like crisp windows. They just look so pretty. We got new windows in our den and in the upstairs, and they're so nice to use. You'll see here how they fold out. Oh my gosh, I just love them so much. So they're really easy to clean. So every other week-ish, I will do the windows and clean off the furniture from our furry cats. Thursdays are my deep clean kitchen day, and what I mean by deep clean is moving things away from the walls, especially how your toaster gets crumbly underneath. I move the air fryer out and just wipe along the border of the counter because I feel like things just get grummy and kind of gross. And I also wipe down appliances because we don't always wipe those down every time we cook or clean the kitchen and wipe things down. So just getting all the little corners of the kitchen that don't get cleaned very often. Lastly, Fridays are my catch-all day. So I pretty much hit everything that I like to get in the house every single week, Monday through Thursday. So Fridays are my days just to kind of catch up on life. If I happen to miss something, if I want to vacuum the floors again, if the house just needs to be picked up. Like this week, it just seemed like coming back from vacation, I could not keep the house picked up. So Friday was kind of my pickup day. I made a big meal on Thursday that had a lot of dishes. So just kind of my closing the week, getting the house ready for the weekend, kind of chilling out, just picking up and whatnot. So our den was kind of messy and we had some stuff from some projects left over. So just kind of picked that stuff up. But if you don't have a cleaning list, I highly suggest it. This is a guaranteed way to keep your house picked up, to keep it clean so that you don't have these days where you're like, man, the house is just a giant mess. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I love having a list. It just keeps me accountable to keep my house clean for my family. So thank you so much for joining me, and we will see you next time.